arc length. Arc length is, formula of arc length is S equals to R theta, where theta is in radian. This is theta, this one is R, this one is R. So S equals to R theta. R is radius and theta is make an angle at the center of the circle. And what is radian? Pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So 1 radian equals to 180 degree by pi, or 180 degree equals to pi radian, or 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. This is conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. 25 degree. Here 180 degree equals to pi radian. So 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So 25 degree equals to 25 into pi by 180 radian. That implies 5 pi by 36 radian. Okay. So 240 degree equals to 240 into 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So 240 degree equals to 240 into pi by 180 radian. Four pi by 3 radian. (47 degree 30 minutes). Here 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So minus of 47 degree plus 30 seconds. So that 30 second have to convert in degree. So 30 by 60 degree, because 1 degree equals 60 minute. So 1 minute equals to 1 by 60. So 30 minute equals to 30 by 60. Minus 47 plus half degree. This one equals to minus 95 by 2 degree. So minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180 radian, because 1 degree equals to pi by 180. So 95 by 2 degree equals to 95 by 2 into pi by 180. So minus 19 pi by 72 radian. ঠিক থিওরি সমেত রেকর্ডিং করছি, পাঠিয়ে দেবো গ্রুপে। আচ্ছা দেখ, Find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measure. Use pi equal to 22/7. Actually, pi is not equal to 22/7, but sometimes we assume value of pi is equals to 22/7 for our calculation. Otherwise, pi is not equal to 22/7 because pi is an irrational number, but 22/7 is a rational number. That's why pi is not equal to 22/7, but there is having some similarities. 22/7 is equals to 3.14 something, and value of pi is also 3.14 something. After the digit 4, the value of pi and 22/7 is not equal, but 3.14 both the part is same. That's why we take pi equals to 22/7. Okay, now pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi radian. 180 by pi degree. So here 11/16, that means 11/16 radian. So radian converted to the degree. So 11/16 into 180 by pi. Now we use pi equal to 22/7. So 11/16 radian is equals to 315 by 8 degree. Minus 4 radian is equals to minus 4 into 180 by pi. We use pi equal 22/7. So minus 14 into 180 by 11 is equals to minus minus 2520 degree by 11. Minus 4 radian is equals to minus 4 into 180 by pi, and pi is equals to 22/7. So we use pi equal 22/7. Then after calculation, this one becomes minus 2520 by 11 degree. Next one, 5 pi by 3 equals to 5 pi by 3 into 180 by pi. By cancellation pi. This one is 300 degree. Pi by 6 radian is equals to pi by 6 into 180 by pi. By cancellation pi. This one is 30 degree.